arrives, the last entry reads 09.04, 1989 Hoyo, returning to base. All systems nominal.
All right, team, let's assess the list angle. Noting significant corrosion near the hatches, Victor.
Interesting. See this curvature right there?
The LiDAR confirms the integrity.
Wait, Victor, look here. A fracture.
Reactor temp is still elevated.
It's consistent with residual decay.
The thermal imaging confirms the seam is failing here.
Yes, the corrosion is severe.
We need to initiate emergency repairs immediately.
The hull thickness here reads 28 millimeters.
Okay, noting that. Now let's check the blueprints for the original spec.
All right, hook up the heavy lift, clear the deck. Copy. Taking the weight, clear the decks. Divers, prep your teams, get ready. Keep the pressure steady on the pump. Water levels are dropping as predicted. Elena, focus on the rust pattern. Got something here, a cap. Excellent, handle it with care. This will go. The depth is around 15 centimeters here.
Be careful, we found a buckle and a toothbrush near the cap.
All right, let's... Look what I found here. Be careful, careful. This one's important, just put it in the sleeve. Phase 1 is complete. Now we savor.
Cable 1 secured. Check tension. Divers report attachment complete. Initiate lifting sequence. Lifting confirmed. Monitoring load distribution. 2 degrees corrected.
The fracture is repairable. The steel around it is sound. Yeah.
We'll cut and replace. The seals are degraded. We'll need new ones.
Clean. Prepare the replacement.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Stop. Hold it right there. Perfect. Begin tacking. Keep it steady there. I've got this side covered. Let's check the alignment.
The structure is strong, but the surface corrosion is deep.
Get the grinder on this section.
What's the sparks, mate?
That panel fits perfectly, ready to weld.
She won't sink now. She'll outlast us all. The racks fit perfectly.
According to the archival photographs, exact.
Yeah. We need to make sure the load bearing is precise. Verified, sir. The welds are holding strong. Excellent. Proceed with securing the side mounts. Perfect positioning. Checking the bolts. Ensure the Cyrillic is accurate.
The sauna room is complete.
Yeah. Outstanding. Just in time for the dome.
Looks perfect. The visitors will love it.
Мы закончили проверку. Безопасно для посетителей.
Clear as the day she was built. Excellent. The heart of the ship beats again. 52% complete, sir.
The restoration is now at 54%, focused on the hull's exterior tiles.
And these specific tiles are exact replicas of the
This black leather, tufted back chair served as the commander's station, its intricate base allowing for precise adjustments during missions. The K-278, the legendary Komsomolets, stands fully restored, its identity reclaiming the past.
The primary control chair, fully restored. Excellent work. Systems operational.
Continuity established. Initiate electrical system modernization. Old panels out, new hybrid breakers in. The pressure test passed. System is sealed and ready for operation.
All right, system active. Holographic projection engaged.
Torpedo sequence confirmed.
Perfect. Kids are gonna love this. All right, system online. Let's start with the corridor tracks. Confirmed. Testing spots on the cap and letter. Reactor uplighting is calibrated, looking good. Switching to tour mode, check the gauges.
Fire suppression system active. Test sequence engaged. Alarm sequence commencing. Security camera check. System status secure.
She's not just a museum. She's a living machine.
Modernization complete. She is ready. Affirmative, she is. The crew is waiting. Excellent. Let us tell them.
The grain is exceptional.
It's a perfect fit.
Outstanding work. The transformation is remarkable.
Setting the sonar, not too loud.
It smells like my grandfather's stories.
The journey ends where it began. The then and rebirth and the legacy.